Morning, morning. I'm knackered this morning. Morning, guys. Welcome to a trading session with me, Peter. I'll be trading gold and NAS today. Let's see what we can get. I've got my hood up because I didn't sleep very well last night. However, we are here. Welcome to the stream, guys. We're on quick update on logbook. We've not had a minus month yet. We have been profitable every month since being trading live on YouTube. We started in September, and if you took every trade with us on stream, these are the numbers you would be looking at, and this is based off a 50k funded account. Okay, so staying within the prop firm rules. So I want to get straight into it today because yesterday was cack. So let's do a quick top down on gold. See what's going on. So 3 bearish monthly candles. Not much of a bottom wick. We did break a low. We haven't had much of a top wick on the monthlies, but the monthlies don't really help us. Yeah, we're gonna have to. We'll leave the monthly. Come down to the weekly. Let's see what's happening here. So we do have a level around 4465. It's not the best fitting of levels, but we do know we rejected from here. We don't fit anywhere else, but we did reject from here, and then we've had 2 candles struggle to break through that downside. So it probably tells me we need to break a high before coming down again. The weekly has flipped bullish now. So how steep of a top wick do we need on this? That's the question. The weekly can do anything. It can literally do anything. It can still close bearish still. It can close bearish still and squeeze in between here and here. Okay, that's what I can do. Let's go to the daily. Well, awful day yesterday. Nothing happened. That was good to call it. Daily levels now. The daily levels, it's sort of similar. We've got like areas where we're not quite levels. So my next level, that's my daily range there. We did come down and tap the range. I've sort of filled it and then we've came back up. We've printed bearish on the previous daily. So technically, what range are we still in? Well, we're still in this range. Therefore, where should we be going? Well, we should still be coming down with the body of the candles. But we know the weekly's hitting a level, so that's why it might not. What have we got now? We've got daily bearish close, and then we're coming up breaking the high. So this doesn't really help us. Could we expect this daily to flip to the downside? I'm going to struggle taking buys up without a daily bullish close above there, like that. And then I'd be interested in buys up, bottom wick, flip to come up. Or is this just a retest to then flip? We're going to end up like that. Potentially. We've already tapped this level. Yeah, it doesn't really help us them dailies. Let's have a look at the 4-hour. So we've had 2 heavily bullish close. The next 4-hour level, so we've got a 4-hour level here where we are now. next level. Could we wick up to that? Because that's what they do. I mean, even this 4 here, when you rejected here, you still came up to tap this level. So they all do seem to come and tap that level. So it's just here where it fits nice, but we're going to get rid of this one. Keep this one as we should be. Clean traffic back up. But the 4's got no top wick and no bottom wick. So where's the next forward range to the downside? I would probably say that's our forward level there. Maybe not. Forwards bullish. We haven't had a bottom wick. I would need a bottom wick to take buys up. Okay, let's leave that one. Come down to the 3. Again, the 3's not doing it. All I do know is the 3. It's a minor support though, isn't it? These are 3 level here, which, if this 3 flips now, it's highly probable you're going to have to come back down to tap 4504. If it does flip, there's still 2 hours left of the 4 and the 3, but the 4, this is not a range for the 4, so I'm just not sure we're going to reject. I mean, there's only this one really what respects this level, and then you come back down. Two was broke out. Where's the 2 going? Why have we not got a bottom wick here? Just maybe a wing back sell. These levels, tight stops, swoop entry. Second entry. I mean, this one pops straight through. I'm just not sure we're going to pop straight through. 2 hours broke out. Can't take any buys up. We've had no bottom wick. We've had no bottom wick on this too. One's got no bottom wick, no bottom wick, no bottom wick. How high is this one going to push? Or rejects? Broke the high, come back down. send. 15. 15. 3 minutes left to this 15. I think I'm going to be getting in on a wing back sell, guys. Let me mark this up. Four, 5, 4, 3 stops would be 4, 5, 6, 1. Have to go. Five, 4, 3. Stop loss. 4, 5, 6, 1. Where can I see this going? Yeah, I'm gonna have a wing back sell here, guys. But we might be getting in earlier. All these 5s close. That 5's got no bottom wick. 15's got 1 minute left of it. See how this 15 closes. So this 15 already tapped it. We haven't tapped it yet. So, but if the 15 closed respecting here, I think I'm going to be getting in. You might come back up and do this though. Come on, it'd be nice if this one can do it. Now with the 15 closed above, what does that mean? Well, these closed respecting come back down. This one closed above. Did come back down, but didn't fully. Come on. I really want this 15 to close respecting, ideally. 15. This might be a case of just sort of leaving this on, guys. That's what I'd want. Okay, I'm in for a sell here. I'm in for a sell. My stops are 4, 5, 6, 1. It's up to you what you want to risk. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 1. This is swoop entry, right? It's not perfect at all. 4, 5, 6, 1.8. Yeah. Okay, so this is what I've got. In here, stops are here. If we come up to this level, I'll take another entry. Okay, that's what I'll be after. And here's the thing, right? Here's the thing. This is if the 4 is going to flip, which I'm not sure it's going to, right? But if the 4 is going to flip, there's 2 hours left of it. Where can the 4? Well, the next 4 should definitely be coming down to tap this level. So that is a 1.5 to 1. But if the 4 does close below this level, that's because the daily is looking to flip. So yeah, that's what I've got. This might take a bit longer here, so I don't know whether I'll stay on. where would be my take partial and move to break even? Well, this is where it's quite difficult because you're going to have to give it a bit of a breathing space. A lot of the time you come up, you mess about, you come down a bit. This one, up, tap, back down, back up again before coming down. So I think this might be a case of just waiting for TP to hit, to be honest with you. Tell you what, I could have this. This will be up, back down. See, if we go risk-free there, it's very likely we're going to get stopped out at break even. Ooh. I think this would be my, if we go risk-free around here, like that. Yep, that's what I've got, guys. Let's see what happens. See what happens. Yeah, it might take a while to play out this though. It can push a bit further as well. Price can actually come and tap this level before coming down. And there's times where it's rejected from here. So yeah, I'm gonna have a quick look at NAS. NAS is all-time high still. Okay, daily. It's bottom wick. No bottom wick. No top wick. Or daily looks like it's flipping to the upside. Similar, isn't it? Next levels here. The 2 and the 1. There's a level there. You got no top wick on the 1. Yeah, we might need to tap this, but as for like direction, I'm not really keen. I'm gonna leave it. Oil, what's oil doing? Is oil coming back down now? It's back below 91. So P dropping again. Yeah, that's all I've got, guys. That's probably all I've got today, to be honest with you. A bit of a shit week. I mean, it is the first week of the month, right? So it's first week of the month. It's always a bit slow and it messes about because the monthly needs its direction. It needs its direction. So it can mess about to start off with. You know what I mean? So we'll see how we get on, but yeah, we should be fairly. If the 4 is going to flip, then we're fine. It needs to be flipping now. 15's close, respecting a level. So we just need to start printing bearish on the 15, really. Yeah, I'll be back in a minute, guys. I'm at the door. Yeah, I'll be back in a sec. I'm back. Whoa. Okay, so we're in profit. $70 at the minute. Why? How are we doing, Bradley? Sorry I missed the comments. It's because it scrolls up when other people join. Yeah, so we need a nice 15-minute bearish close, which we're probably going to get in 3 minutes. Yeah, we might get another high made here. I would imagine we'll make another high before coming down. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yep. So I'm going to be getting rid of my school community. I don't think it's working. It's nice to have your courses and that on there, but it's yeah, don't know. I think Discord's nice because you feel like you're in. You can have a chat. Where school, you've got to put a post, and then people have to comment on the post. Which I get it makes it more organised, but if you want to have that bit of a friendly place, it's not really for that as such. Come on, nice big drive down. So we're up $115 and it's 8:30. Remember, this is based off a 50k account, right? But yeah, we're currently up. Let's see if we can just carry on. The 30 hasn't closed yet, so the 30 is closing in a minute and a half. Now the previous 30, there's different levels on the 30. Right, you got a level here, you got a level here, you got a level here. This is what I'm saying. Where prices at the moment, there's loads of different levels. It's not the best of fitting. So it really doesn't make much of a difference where the 30 closes. All we know is that we haven't tapped previous support. We'll likely need to tap previous support. We've got no bottom wicks on the 1, even on these ones. The 4 as well hasn't got much of a bottom wick. We did break a high previously. So why did we break this high? Come to here and not carry on. This could potentially just be a pullback or the continuation. Yeah. So what's that? What's that way? Yeah, I think we probably need to break the high one more time. And then come back down. Might look at another entry if we do that. However, I will be taking, if we do tap this level, I will be, to be honest, I might even close out. We'll see. I'm knackered today. I didn't sleep at all last night. I'm really tired today. I was debating whether to get on, to be honest with you. But I've been on for a while. This is it. I mean, in May, these are our stats so far. We've not had a minus month yet on stream. Touch wood. We've got 3 more months left, and that's it. We've done a full year on stream. But in May, look how many trades we took in May. Not many at all. And then April. Look at April. April was an awful month. It was, so March is when the war started. Look at March and April. Awful. And then look at compared to February before the war and January. You know. So That was Bitcoin looking 69. Shy of 70k. I'm not a Bitcoin fan, to be honest with you. I don't know. For me, I only invest in stuff that has a use case. Bitcoin has no use case. And I'm not going to invest in something who I don't know who created it. I think I know who created it, but I don't want to say on here. And if I'm right, it would go to zero. It would literally go to zero. So it's not for me, Bitcoin. Like, I don't have any. Well, I think I've got about £50 worth, if that. But these are the big ones, XLM and XRP, because they've got a use case. A bit of a top work. Flip back to the downside again. We're up $124. I've not took past or anything like that yet. Oh, it feels like summer. I'm going to do a bit of admin, guys. Bit of admin while we wait. Going away this weekend, so I better get sorted, don't I? We're dropping. $160 we're up. Why? What the fuck? Why? Ah, come on, go. Get out there. We're not driving down. It tells me we need to come back up. We are up $150. Okay, I'll be back in a minute, guys. Come on, gold, get down. I'm not risk-free enough yet, guys. I think we might need to break the high one more time. I'm hoping not. I'm hoping we can just get a nice pop straight through. We are trying to move. Came in. Oh, get something like this. Okay, I think we broke the low again now. We have. So normally this is going to be decided whether we're going to pop down or come back in. So what'll happen if you do come up for another high, you'll get a breakout to the downside like this 5, and then the next 5 will do something like that. So don't be sort of shocked if that happens, okay? Because that's what can happen, which we know. So we just get comfortable with it, basically. But yeah, we've broke the low again now. Can we get a nice pop down? That's a 5. It's another 15. Bearish close. Not a bad bearish close. See, we might do this as well. So you might come and tap this level. Okay. Another wick there. And then pull back up here before coming through. Okay. So again, this one pull back to here. So again, we might pop down to this level and then pull back, or right back up to this level and then come through. This one I'm saying it's a bit of a longer time frame one. You might mess about just before it gets down, and this is why I can't sort of go risk free unless I tap this level. I'm hoping we just come and tap this. Oh. $480, guys. We're still dropping slowly. As long as this 5 doesn't close bullish, if this 5 stays bearish, we should be pretty good. Very, very slow. I'll give it till 9 o'clock, guys, and then I'll probably call it. Come on, get on goal. 250. Can we reach the 300 mark? We're up $250 at the minute. A nice pop. This is around this area we might start rejecting to come back up for another high. Hoping not. I mean, the one is about to close. If the one closes bearish, that's a good sign. Because you probably get a bottom wick as well, I would imagine. Or you might do this where you've got a big bullish push, then you get a bearish close on the one, straight back up on the one, mess about to come back down. This is what I'm saying, we might do that. The new one might open, break the high to come back down. But like I say, I'll be on till 9 o'clock and then I'll leave it with you. We'll be back on tomorrow as well. Okay, man. Reacting a bit there, aren't we? 4 minutes left for a close. So the hour's closing. We've still got another hour left of the 4, so it doesn't really mean much. Where can this 4 end up, basically? No bottom wick on the 3, 2, 1. Fifteen's flipped. Yeah, looks like we're coming back over here. This is what I mean with the 5. When I said with the 5, looks like we're going to be closing back above this level. Ideally, we do want a 1 hour bearish close though. Because what you find is when you're printing bullish, see, this one didn't do it. This is the thing I'm worried about here. If we come up for this second entry, I'll take the profit from here to here. Close the first one. Break even. Like this is what I'm going to do. I need to make a phone call at 9, so I'm going to keep this on. See how we get on. Just while I'm gone, because you might get a pop with a new one. What's this one going to close? That is the question. if you look at this 30, so bullish, small, bearish, then another 30, break the high. That would be this one though. New hour, 40 seconds. Right, I'm going to leave this like this. I'll be back soon. I'm going to go make a phone call.
Right guys, I'm jumping off. I'll catch you later. We'll let this run out.